And good afternoon, this is Konstantinos, and in this video we are going to see how to block a particular domain of email addresses. For example, you may wonder what is a domain of email addresses. An example of domain, let me load the web page, GRS. So, for example, a domain of multiple and unique email addresses is the grsrecruitment.com. In essence, the grsrecruitment.com, it's the web domain, and through the web domain we are able to receive multiple unique email addresses with the extension of the particular domain. For example, let's see, contact us. Okay, here is get in touch, a unique contact form, let's say, communication form, but a unique. So here we see three unique and uniquely identifiable email addresses of the same domain. So it's the domain in all the occasions in the three examples: Cyprus Nicosia, Cyprus Limassol headquarters, and Malta. In all occasions, the domain is grsrecruitment.com, the same as the domain of the particular website, grsrecruitment.com. The only difference is that the three email addresses, as we see, the three email addresses share the same domain, but the email address itself, the naming, let's say, of the email address is unique. So we see Nicosia at grsrecruitment.com, Limassol at grsrecruitment.com, and Malta at grsrecruitment.com. Let me close the particular pop-up window. It's like the MAC addresses. A part of the MAC address is identifies the network interface card, and the second part identifies the manufacturer. In our occasion, let's say taking the example of the MAC addresses, the manufacturer part is, or the vendor part is the grsrecruitment.com, and the unique identifier of the network interface card is the unique name or the unique identification given to the email address, like in our example, Nicosia, Limassol, or Malta. I believe naming then identification part or naming might not be the correct words, but let's say let's view it differently. An email address, like a MAC address, have two distinct parts: the domain name of the website, grsrecruitment.com or google.com or ebay.co.uk, and or at linkedin.com And the other part, the leftmost part, is the let's say it is like a unique identifier. So the particular email is dedicated to the Nicosia offices of the GRS recruitment. The particular email is dedicated for the headquarters of GRS recruitment in Limassol, Cyprus. The particular email is dedicated for the Malta offices of GRS recruitment. So it's like we silo each email address. We separate with a distinct identifier. So let's assume, let's continue. I know it's a long introduction. Let's assume that me, as a person, I would not like to receive any information through email from GRS recruitment. What I can do for the particular what I can do for this is to set a filter in my Gmail account, and as we see from the description given by chatgpt.com, the well-known AI agent of OpenAI. Difference between block and filter: block sender only works per email address. Filter by domain, for example grsrecruitment.com. This means that blocks all addresses from that domain. For example, if I set a block for the domain, if I set a filter for the domain grsrecruitment.com, that means if an email that originates from the domain grsrecruitment.com will not be able to reach my Gmail inbox. Okay. The particular sender will send the email, and after all, the email will bounce back. That means we'll send the email, and after, in a few seconds or minutes, the sender will receive an information email that the particular email is not reachable for XYZ specific reasons. And let's proceed. Let's block the domain. Let's filter the domain. Okay. And I will perform the procedure through a laptop computer. So I will perform the on desktop procedure, because there is a procedure for through mobile from the Gmail application as well. And let's see, open Gmail, already open. Click the gear icon and see all settings. Click the gear, see all settings. Okay. I do not need the GRS recruitment web page anymore. So for the example of the particular video, so I will close the tab, then go to filters and block addresses. Here we are, filters and blocked addresses. Okay, here is a malicious email already blocked. Click create a new filter. Again, step 4, click create a new filter. Create a new filter, okay. In the from field, type at and then the domain name. So at okay, GRS this. I need to remove the HTTPS and the www part of the domain name. Okay, and click only this, nothing else. After this, there is not any need for you to also this. After we need to fill the from field. After this, there is not any need for you to add anything else or change anything else. Just click create filter. And okay, let's go back to the gear, see all settings, filters and blocked addresses. So for a reason, at not hash at GRS recruitment okay, click create, choose one of the following, delete it, okay, let me copy this, no, I need to create the filter. So there are additional options here, and we need to, as we see here, okay, choose one of the following. Step 7, delete it, emails go straight to trash, mark as spam. Never send it to spam, always mark it as important. Delete it. So every time we see, every time from now on, every time that I will receive a particular email from grsrecruitment.com, then automatically the system will delete it and categorize as no categories, no categorization. Skip the inbox, mark as read, start it, apply the label, no labeling, delete it, never send it to spam, always mark it as important, never mark it, always. And let's click create filter, and as we see, anytime from now on, anytime that I will receive an email from an email address identified at grsrecruitment.com, automatically the email will be deleted. And after step 8, click create filter, done. All current and future emails from that domain will be blocked. Thumbs up, thumbs up. And I will include the particular information in the description section of my YouTube video. And concluding, I would like to thank you for watching the particular video. If you like the video, please leave a thumbs up and a positive and just this, a thumbs up. And I wish you have a nice day, have lovely holidays, and a happy new year 2026.